The electrical instrumentation online and actual training is back again here to make another video. And the topic of this video is about the push button normally close. And then uh, of this push button normally close, I'm gonna make a block diagram and corresponding schematic diagram. Before I make the block diagram and the schematic diagram, I would like to know the people who will be interested for this tutorial electrical and instrumentation information, because the fundamental requirement of the electrical and instrumentation troubleshooting is the schematic diagram. So you should, who those interested of this tutorial, you should know also how to read and how to interpret the schematic diagram based on the actual situation of the electrical instrumentation component. So right now let's start to continue this tutorial for the push button normally close. So this is the physical push button normally close. Then I have to make a block diagram and a schematic diagram. So be your eyes on the screen and then watching how I will do the block diagram and the schematic diagram. So here this is the physical picture of the diagram. Now this is the schematic diagram for this push button normally close. This is the one you have to know how to make schematic diagram of the electrical instrumentation, because this is very important information for the troubleshooting of the um, electrical and instrumentation. So this is push button normally. Oh, sorry. This is push button normally open. It's not normally close. We need I need to be correct. I need to be corrected that one that is not normally open. That is normally close. So later on also I will make also the um, block and schematic diagram for the push button normally open. So this is the block diagram, as you can see this on the screen. This is the block diagram, and this is the schematic diagram. You can see on your right side. That is schematic diagram of the push button normally closed. So in this normally closed push button, in its terminal there is a terminal number. So now I'm wiring. Now I'm wiring the push button. That is this one. This the wiring now. So in its terminal there should be terminal number. The push button normally close. It should be 1 and 2 the terminal. So you can see on the screen that is the that is the exactly terminal numbers standard in any normally close push button. That is 1 and 2. Inside that is 1, and then outside that is 2. So this is the complete circuit